What is box breathing?
Box breathing is a simple breathing technique that involves inhaling, holding, exhaling, and pausing for equal counts. Used by elite athletes, military personnel, and high-level executives, it helps sharpen focus and relieve stress. Its structured rhythm makes it easy to use anywhere, whether before a big presentation or to reset during a hectic day.
How does box breathing work?
Box breathing works by engaging your body's natural relaxation response. You inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4, exhale for 4, and then pause for 4 seconds. This controlled breathing slows your heart rate, calms your mind, and creates a sense of mental clarity. Even a few cycles can shift your mood and increase alertness.
Proven benefits for focus and calm.
Studies show that box breathing can reduce stress, improve concentration, and lower blood pressure. By focusing on each breath and count, you gently bring attention away from worries. Regular practice can improve emotional regulation and physical health, making it a favorite among those who need steady nerves in high-pressure situations.
How to practice box breathing?
To try box breathing, sit comfortably with your back straight. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale through your mouth for 4. Then pause for 4 seconds. Repeat for 4 to 5 cycles. Focus on the steady flow, and if you get distracted, simply return to counting and breathing.
Integrating box breathing into your day.
Make box breathing part of your routine before meetings, workouts, or when feeling stressed. Just a few minutes can reset your mind. Whether commuting, waiting in line, or preparing for a challenge, this simple technique puts proven calm and focus at your fingertips anytime you need it.